Look at this for a moment. 3 circles, all sitting on a straight line. One on the left, one on the right, and a small one squeezed in between. The red one has radius 2. The blue one has radius 3. And right in the middle, touching both of them and the ground, there's this tiny green circle. We need to find its radius. Let's call the radius of the green circle R. Start with the left side. Join the center of the red circle to the center of the green circle. Whenever circles touch, the distance between their centers is just the sum of their radii. So that distance becomes R plus 2. Now imagine dropping a straight line down from the green center. That forms a right triangle. The bottom part, let's call it X. And the vertical part, the big circle is 2, the small one is R, so that vertical piece is 2 minus R. Now use Pythagoras. X squared plus 2 minus R whole squared equals R plus 2 whole squared. If you expand this and simplify, a lot cancels out nicely. And you end up with x squared equals 8R. So x becomes 2 root 2R. Just keep that result in mind. Now do the same thing on the right side. Join the centers of the green and blue circles. That distance is R plus 3. Again, drop a vertical line. You get another right triangle. Call the base Y. The vertical part now is 3 minus R. Apply Pythagoras again. Y squared plus 3 minus R whole squared equals R plus 3 whole squared. Simplify this one, and you get y squared equals 12R. So y becomes 2 times root 3R. Now we have both pieces, x and y. Time to connect everything. Look at the big picture. Join the centers of the red and blue circles. Their radii are 2 and 3. So the distance between them is 5. Now imagine one big right triangle. The full base is x plus y. And the height difference between the two circles is just 1. So we write x plus y whole squared plus 1 squared equals 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. Minus 1 gives 24. So we get x plus y whole squared equals 24. Now plug in x and y. So we have 2 root 2r plus 2 root 3r all squared equals 24. Factor out the 2, so it becomes 2 times root 2r plus root 3r whole squared. Square it, you get 4 times 2r plus 3r plus 2 times root 6r. So this becomes 4 times 5r plus 2 root 6r equals 24. Divide both sides by 4. We get 5r plus 2 root 6r equals 6. Factor out r. R times 5 plus 2 root 6 equals 6. Now solve for r. R equals 6 divided by 5 plus 2 root 6. To clean it up, multiply top and bottom by 5 minus 2 root 6. The denominator becomes 1. And on top, you get 30 minus 12 root 6. So finally, r equals 30 minus 12 root 6. If you check the value, it's roughly 0.6. Pretty interesting, right? Everything looks messy in the middle, but the final answer comes out really clean. If you got this before me, that's seriously impressive. All right, see you in the next one.